Ciao Tesla people, I'm here at the charger in a gas station. I'm charging with the Beagle charge. Let's see how it goes. So this is the new network. So I'm charging with CCS. Okay. And let's see how it goes. Blue, 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 blue. Unfortunately, there is another car beside me, so the speed won't be good. I preconditioning the battery because the navigator, okay, charging. Let's check it out, how much I'm charging speed. Yeah, 37 kilowatts. That sucks. Yeah, because beside me there is another car, so we'll split by half the speed, and it sucks for me, it sucks for him. I'm charging to 80% or something like that, so we'll stay here a bit. Anyway, let's do the Supercharge talk number 16. And we have several news to talk about. There was the quarterly results from Tesla. So in Q2, Tesla delivered 444k cars, but the impressive number was the energy sector with the megapacks and Powerwalls, and they deliver more than 9 gigawatts hour of energy storage, which is really impressive. It was a huge jump from the previous quarter and from other years, of course. So everybody's wondering what is going to happen next quarter, because looks like that Tesla is putting a lot of effort on the energy sector. Then let's talk about the Tesla update, the software updates. There are few released. So there is the software update 2024.20.9.1, and mostly this is bug fixes. I'm on .7, and also we're waiting for the big one. There is the 2024.26, which is a summer update, we call it. Okay, the guy beside me left. It's a e-tron, I think, Audi e-tron from Belgium, this guy is. So my speed now is 54 kilowatts, is going up, which is good. So a couple of software updates we're waiting for. What else? Oh, there are a bunch of incentives from Tesla. There is in the US, there is a free Supercharger. I think it's for 1 month offer for all models. So besides Cybertruck, all the other models will have this incentive. Here in Europe, instead, we had a 1,500 euros increase in the price increase. I think most of European countries got that jump on the price, and you know, Tesla changes the prices all the time. I think every quarter they had something going on. There was some Cybertruck recall, this time for hardware, and they swapped the motors. Some Cybertrucks, I'm not sure if they're all of them, but there was some talk about it, that they wanted to swap it for a newer motor. I think it was the back motor, and they are doing a study on the previous motor. So we don't know. Probably they are doing some efficiency study, and they are figuring out that have better motors now. again, they saw in the US, they saw this M3, so the Model 3 without the mirrors and some cameras places in particular spots, you know, and looks like that are tests for the Robotaxi type of thing. So they had a mirror in the back mirror in the back window, and another the camera that is on the side here on the front was not attached to the body of the car, but you know, put a perpendicular to it. So looks like they're testing some software. Also, FSD Transfer are back on in the US and in some countries here in Europe. But here in Europe, if you have FSD, which is not available in Europe, so you bought it but it's not available, you can transfer it, but only if the car is pretty new. I think it was 2024, something like that. The conditions were really weird because if you bought let's say that if you bought it 1 year ago, the car, I mean, do you want to really swap it right away? I mean, maybe if you lease the car or if you want to jump to the new Model 3, but it doesn't make sense. I think FSD should be transferred for all cars at any time, but that's Tesla's policy. Now, the event that was for the August 8th for the Robotaxi or Cybercab, whatever you want to call it, looks like it's been postponed, but Tesla didn't mention anything. There was an article on Bloomberg, and they were mentioning that they want to postpone it to October, looks like. But we don't know anything yet. Tesla or Elon Musk didn't say anything, didn't post anything about this, so we are in the limbo. We don't know, but it doesn't matter, you know. This is a long shot for this kind of technology. What else? The Tesla it looks like it's testing airless tires. So I don't know if you're familiar, but airless tires are the tires that do not have a side wall and are completely empty in between the rim and the tire. They have, you know, of course, cushion type of thing. And these tires are being tested for, I don't know, many years. You know, of course, they don't have air inside. There's no any inside, but they don't have air, so no puncture. Are much more resistant. And you can create them to a very specific details. The only cons is probably the noise that they make. So I guess they're working on that. But you know, anyone that knows about airless tires are waiting for years for this solution. So we'll see what happens. It will be a cool new tech for cars, for sure, because they have lots of pros and very few cons. So we'll see what happens. Maybe in the near future we'll see this kind of solution, which will be great. Anyway, this is all the news around the Tesla world. There are a bunch of other ones there. I saw some articles that are coming out this week or next week. We'll see what happens, and that's it. So I'm going to keep charging. I'll let you know how it's going. Now it's 69 kilowatts, not that fast, unfortunately. This charger is only 100 kilowatts, but I never saw a maximum saw 90, something like that. Even though in the apps they say 110, but you know, whatever. Just 50 minutes left to 80%. I needed to charge because I want to do some road trips, And here in Florence we are having a heat wave this week. Yesterday was 36 degrees Celsius, and today is going to be probably the same or even more, because humidity is pretty high, and we'll have this for the weekend, even probably next week. So not a great time for the weather. It's great weather, but the temperature makes it that you don't want to get out. Anyway, we'll see in a bit when I'm done, and I'll let you know everything, how it goes. So I'm done charging. So unlock the charging port, and let's see. Yeah, stop charging. Okay, great. Oh my god, these cables are crazy heavy. Anyway, charging was done. Everything went well. Besides, at the beginning there was another guy charging, so I had to split the power. So please subscribe to the channel, turn on notification, put a like, and I'll see you on next video. Ciao Tesla people.